Sup guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Alka Water DIY Bottle work before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Alka Water DIY Bottle works. What is the Alka Water DIY Bottle? The Alka Water DIY Bottle is a revolutionary hydration solution that allows individuals to convert ordinary tap water into alkaline water effortlessly. Designed with convenience and efficiency in mind, the bottle utilizes advanced ionization technology to produce water with a higher pH level, which is believed to offer significant health benefits. That's right. This isn't just a water bottle. It's a health-enhancing apparatus that has the potential to change your life. Crafted from durable materials, the Alka Water DIY Bottle is designed to be portable and user-friendly. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry, so you can enjoy the benefits of alkaline water wherever you go, be it at home, work, or during outdoor activities. The device operates on the fundamental principle of electrolysis, effectively filtering and altering the water's composition to enhance its alkaline properties, thereby aiding in better hydration. But what truly sets this bottle apart from conventional hydration methods is its cost-effectiveness and ease of use. Rather than relying on expensive bottled water or complex filtration systems, the Alka Water DIY Bottle empowers users to take control of their hydration with minimal financial investment and no high-tech skills required. As more people seek ways to improve their health through better hydration, the Alka Water DIY Bottle emerges as a game-changing solution that not only promises better health outcomes but also fosters a sense of independence from commercial water suppliers. How does the Alka Water DIY Bottle work? At the heart of the Alka Water DIY Bottle is its innovative ionization technology. This process, which may sound complex, is fundamentally straightforward and effective. The bottle operates using electrolysis, which involves passing an electric current through water. This action effectively separates the water into acidic and alkaline components. When you fill the Alka Water DIY Bottle with regular tap water, the built-in ionization system gets to work. The water is subjected to an electric current, which alters the molecular structure and mineral composition of the water. The ionization process not only raises the pH level of the water, but it also enhances its mineral content, transforming it into alkaline water. Alkaline water is known for its potential to help neutralize acid in the bloodstream, which can lead to improved health overall. Furthermore, the Alka Water DIY Bottle is designed to be user-friendly. With simple instructions and a compact design, it is accessible for people of all skill levels. Users can simply fill the bottle, activate the ionization mechanism, and wait for a few minutes for the water to transform. This efficiency means you can enjoy healthy alkaline water on demand without the hassle associated with traditional methods of obtaining purified water. By utilizing the Alka Water DIY Bottle, you are investing in a device that not only meets your hydration needs, but also actively contributes to your long-term health goals. It's a modern, practical solution to a common problem, ensuring that clean, healthy drinking water is always at your fingertips.